Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my bald cap method. Enjoy. I really tried being sexy for y'all, but I failed. So I did my own hair and this is so painful. So I got this wig cap from Shein. It was a pack of 8 and I really don't remember how much it is, but I think it was around 20 rand. Yeah. So now I'm going in with my got to be glued spray, and as you guys can see, I'm not really sure if you can see, but I'm not using it directly on my hair. I am only spraying around my hairline. I really don't know how to explain this, but on my forehead. So you really want the glue not to stick on your hair because you will lose your hairline basically. So now I'm going in with my dryer because I do not have the patience. I do not have all day to wait for this glue to dry. I just want it to dry quickly so that I can start cutting out the lace. So now I made a small hole next to my ear so that I can remove it, and I'm doing this because I need the corner or next to the ear to be laid as well, because if you don't do this then your cap won't be laid, it will just lift. So right now I'm trying to choose a shade. I really don't know which one to choose because the other one is almost finished, but yeah, I'll be using the shade. I decided to use both of them on the cap to just make it darker because I still believe that it was a bit light, and now as you can see it's just closer to the color of my skin. It's actually even darker. So now I'm using the scissor to cut off the cap, and as you can see, part of the cap is lifting, but do not worry about that, we'll fix it soon. Now that we're done with the cutting, I'll be using my spray just to fix the part of the cap that is lifting. I'm doing this because I just feel like ensuring that the cap is laid makes my wig look very neat. I don't know, this is just what I believe in. So yeah, and then I'll just be repeating what I'm doing from ear to ear just to make sure that it's neat. So I'm still going in with that dark shade just in case the glue that I was using now removed some of it. I just need to make sure that my skin blends in with the cap. And we are done. I hope this video was helpful. It's really simple. It's not rocket science. I used to think it was rocket science as well, but if I can do it, you can do it as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I just hope that this video was informative to you. Please stay tuned because on my next video I'll be installing this beautiful wig that I just got from AliExpress. Thank you so much. Love you. Mwah.